What's up, guiding bolt fans? This is Nick, and today I'm going to show you what you need to perform an exhaust flush on older Yamaha Waverunners. So right here I have two 1989 Yamaha Waverunners, and I'm going to show you where the wash port is, as well as the kit and other components that you might need to perform this flush. So this is what I'm going to be using today to do this, and just wanted to throw together a quick video to hopefully help anybody else out there that has these older models and hasn't done this before, just to make it go a little more seamlessly. So first off, let me just go ahead and show you what model we're working on here. This is the J500A engine, and it's really easy to find the wash port on these because it is notated right there. You can see it says wash, and then right down there you can see that there is a large regular screw. We're going to go ahead and remove that, and that's what the kit adapter is going to screw into. So that is the wash port, and that's the same on this one as well as that one over there. This is the Atlantis Yamaha Flush Kit A8588, and really this adapter right here is that's the most important part. That's the piece that's going to be screwing into the engine block right down there, and then the rest of this is just to kind of hook it all up. So I have some marine RV and marine antifreeze down there that we're going to be putting through the system. The rest of this is just to hook it all up so we can do a gravity feed system. So basically this will screw into the engine. We'll go ahead and hook this hose onto there. I have a union, so we'll go ahead and screw this union into the one side, and then on the other side there's just a little hose adapter. I think that's a half-inch hose that's gonna insert into this 3/4 inside diameter hose, which also has a hose clamp on one end, and then we'll stick the funnel in the top to pour the RV antifreeze in. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually put together a video of me performing the flush. I just wanted to throw this out there to help anybody else out that's looking for the pieces to go ahead and do this. So I'll go ahead and put the parts list down below in the description, so if you have any questions, just go ahead and let me know.